Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make your toothbrush last longer easily, and this will be a tutorial. Once again, this specific video is about the following. The topic and the title for this video will be the following, and this is the last time I'm saying it, I promise, just to give you full clarity on what the video is about, okay? In this specific video, I will be showing you and telling you specifically how to make your toothbrush last longer easily, and this will be a tutorial. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'll be going over 4 things that you can do to hopefully allow your toothbrush to last longer. Now, let's get right into this, and I will tell you right at the beginning that your toothbrush is meant to be replaced. It's not meant to last forever. It's not meant to last a super long time. It's meant to be replaced. But if your toothbrush is going bad sort of quickly or faster than you would have imagined, then maybe these things can help you out. Now, I'm not a professional by any means. These are just things that I thought of with regards to what I would do to hopefully allow my toothbrush to last longer. These are the things that I would do. So starting off with number 1, and well, like I said, there are 4 of them. So as I said, we're going to start off with number 1. Number 1 is brush gently. So obviously you still have to brush hard enough in order to scrub your teeth, but there's a difference between brushing hard enough and too hard. So, if you think you're brushing too hard, then you might be. So just maybe basically like make your brushing a little bit more gentle by a bit. Now, obviously, like I said, you still want to be brushing hard enough to scrub your teeth and to get the plaque and buildup off your teeth, of course. But by taking your scrubbing level, your scrubbing aggressiveness and bringing it down just a little bit, you can see if you're still able to clean your teeth properly while scrubbing a little bit more gently. Now, like I said, you got to find the balance between, between too hard and not hard enough. So you got to be able to, hopefully maybe make it a bit more gentle, but still make sure you're scrubbing well enough to get the stuff off your teeth. That's number 1, okay? Very simple and straightforward. That should make the toothbrush last longer because you're going a little bit easier on the bristles. Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is don't bend the bristles as much. Now, just as I said before, you still got to make sure you're scrubbing your teeth properly, but if you're scrubbing and basically you're applying this much pressure, so you're bending the bristles that much, maybe you can still scrub hard enough while only bending the bristles this much. So like, let's say you're scrubbing like this and you're bending the bristles a lot. Maybe you can go a little bit lighter and still scrub enough, but you're gonna bend the bristles less. Like, it's either this or you're bending them a lot, right? Or this, right? You're bending them not as much. You might be bending them too much or not as much. Now, like I said, you still got to make sure that you are brushing your teeth well enough to get, to clear everything out and to scrub your teeth hard enough and so on and so forth. But yeah, you can bend the bristles less. Like I said, make sure you still scrub your teeth well enough. But yeah, definitely you can bend the bristles less, and that should hopefully allow it to last a bit longer. Sorry if I'm looking to the side. I saw these 2 big birds coming down and landing in a parking lot beside me, and it looked like they were 2 Canada geese landing over there. So just, if I'm looking to the side like this, I was just wondering what these big birds were. But then as they came closer, I saw that they were Canada geese, I believe, and there's snow mounds around me, so I can't see them now. I just saw them land. And yes, I film all of my videos in advance for the most part. I film them in advance as much as I can. So even though you're seeing this much later, when I'm filming this, is actually the end of February. You're going to be seeing this much later, probably towards the middle of the year, give or take. Sometime in, I think I'm around maybe July-ish, give or take, August, something like that. So you're going to see this towards the later middle end of the year, but I'm filming this at the end of February, which is why there's snow mounds around me. Anyways, that's out of the way. Totally too much information, but it's all good. Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is dry the bristles when you're done. Now, I don't know based on any research or anything like that if this will work, but just if the bristles stay wet, I believe it would probably cause them to deteriorate much faster. That's just what I'm thinking. So I believe by drying the bristles quickly, then it's going to allow the toothbrush to hopefully last longer. Like I said, it's not based on any research. It's just based off me thinking, but that's what I believe would be the case. So dry the bristles and hopefully allows the toothbrush to last a little bit longer. Last but not least is number 4. Number 4 is store it in a dry environment. And that's basically it. You want to make sure that you're storing it in a dry environment just for the same reasons that I just spoke about. If you store it in a wet or humid environment, then, you know, the bristles might stay moist, might stay wet, and I think that would cause it to wear out faster. That's just what I'm thinking, but I don't know for sure. It's just off the top of my head based on what I'm thinking. But that's basically it. So hopefully doing those things will cause the toothbrush to be able to last longer. Hopefully. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have to say. You know, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.